All right, we are doing another staycation for spring break, right? Right?
Yeah, baby.
We're down in San Diego in Mission Beach, and we're gonna go do some fun stuff.
Hey, I can see somebody's booty butt. Yeah, be careful for cars.
Are they coming with us?
Yeah, I don't know. Call them up.
I want to check our house.
I know. Are you recording some stuff, Harley?
Yeah.
Harley's famous.
All right, guys, we just made it to our room. Let me show you.
Hey, let me
Watch out, Harley. Somehow we got the suite. So here's the kitchen.
I'm hungry.
Then we had the table with the TV. Then we had this couch.
Did he even let Phil in here? Yeah.
We have these 2 beds and another TV. And over here, we have the bathroom. Nice. And then look at this beautiful view. It's absolutely
Where can we get food?
amazing. All right, guys, we made it to our destination, which is now the bowling place, Punch Bowl Social.
This is the Punch Bowl down in San Diego, and we're gonna bowl.
The J's broken, so I'm gonna put axe. So my new name is Axe. Really push, quick. Oh, it's gonna be another strike. No way. Again, another strike.
Did you got it? Ah, almost. All right. All right, Jackson, what are we playing?
We're playing
Little shuffleboard?
shuffleboard.
Little shuffleboard.
Too hard.
No.
Pick one. Hit. Push it straight soft.
Almost, Harley.
Guys, we made it to the place we're eating at. It's like the Windmill, if you ever heard of that. It's like there's a bunch of food places. One, like you can get drinks, you can get food, appetizers, and desserts, all from different restaurants. All right, here guys, we got some wangs and some fries.
And you were like, no, she's not.
Hey, Harley. All right, end of our first day. We're back at the hotel.
Okay.
The kids are having fun with all the free shower stuff. And we just ordered room service for milk because we forgot milk. SeaWorld tomorrow.
All right, we just checked out of our hotel. My dad's gonna go check out and then we're gonna go look at the market. The seal.
It's kind of sad.
That's not.
As long as it's got a
This is
little
our pool.
space. Look, no, this is the seal's pool.
Look at the CPI box. Seals over there. That seal?
There's a couple of them. Look, there's two over here.
That, mommy.
Okay, started day 2. We're going to SeaWorld after we finish up at our little hotel here on Mission Bay. Right, Jax?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, Harley, what do you have?
Cocoa.
And a coffee. Cocoa.
at the swell they have a wall of like stickies and people can put their name on it.
You got to go, but you guys can, when you can say, oh, hey, Mom, you can remember. Yep. Remember, Mom. We turned the corner.
Alright, we're at SeaWorld now. We have season passes. SeaWorld San Diego.
He is catching. Yes.
Oh yeah. Tickles.
As they'll hide out here today, sleeping, resting in between boulders, rocks, and even sea caves, and they'll also hide within large groups. As sharks, since they have no eyelids, they don't close their eyes to sleep. So
Did you touch it, Harley?
and then these bamboo sharks, just like other sharks, also have the sixth sense of electroreception, using what's called the epiloid vorticini, which are these tiny pores found.
Alright, if you've ever been to SeaWorld San Diego, this is where the underwater viewing of the orcas are. They're here somewhere. They're not here yet. Oh, there is one.
Yeah, he'll probably come over.
Oh, whoa, look at my shit. That's a lot of space.
There he is over there. He'll come over this way.
Oh, look at him.
What's it doing?
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes.
Oh, look. That's so cool.
What is he doing, Harley? What is he doing, Harley? Oh, Harley ran. Never mind. Hey, where are we?
At the orca.
The orcas? Yeah, we're gonna see the orca show. Jackson!
Ready? Oh, you better get him So Jackson's sitting up front because he wants to get splashed today. So I'm hoping he gets dunked on.
Look, they're eating. See?
My name is Sierra, and I'm so honored to introduce you to this intriguing
Oh, you're lucky, Jackson. He's getting lucky right now.
Differences between killer whales' size, physical form, prey, social structure, and habitat. The whale blends in with the dark depths of the ocean.
The first 10 rows, we're in the 9th row. Yeah, so we're probably gonna get wet.
When viewed from below, the orca's white belly
bellies are nearly 10,000-pound bodies, all the way up and out of the water.
10,000.
Do we survive getting splashed, Jackson? What do you think, Harley? Did we survive?
We're gonna climb up a net with me and my dad.
Let's go. No hands.
That's easy. No hands. Whee! This way was blocked off last time. This way was blocked off last time.
No hands so far.
Oh no!
All right, Jackson, get up there.
No hands is hard. Can I use them?
Yeah, I use it. Now we're off to see the turtles. Turtles, turtles.
Amanda have the big, remember the manas we saw in Hawaii? They have the big circle mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a turtle right there.
See the turtle?
found the flamingos. And a roller coaster. And a tired Harley. Are you tired?
No.
It's alright.
Does that time work for you?
Had most of the day. I think we're going to be wrapping it up here soon. And what are we doing, buddy?
I'm easy. Whatever.
Shipwreck.
Okay, I gotta go.
We're going on rapids.
All right.
Alright, last ride of the day. Here we go.
All right, here we go. Sorry. When you go under the.
Alright, family, last ride of the day.
What? He's something called waterfalls.
Here we go. Woo!
They say backwards. No, that means you get the most. Oh, you're facing backwards.
I am.
Oh no. Oh, how fun. Oh God.
Right, Mom. Oh, here we go. We're gonna get it, Harley.
No!
We're gonna get it.